Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Brawl Star lagging issues. If you are facing the Brawl Star lagging issues, in this video I will show you how to fix it and watch till the end. First step is make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be a problem for the app. Then turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds and on again, or you also can switch to mobile data. If that's not work, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is reset your phone. Sometimes a simple reset can fix the many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. The another step is check app update. If your app is not updated to the latest version, that might be problem for the app. For the app update, go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Search for the app, then click on update option if it is available. The other step is go to your phone setting, open apps or app management, then go to apps or app list and search for the app, then go to storage and cache, then click clear cache. Clear cache can fix the files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone and install it again from Play Store, Google Play Store or App Store. This gives a fresh start to the app. So the last thing is you can do, if none of it works, if none of these helps, then you can contact to customer service of the app by going service of the app, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. In this video help you. If this video help you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.